Hi, Best Philip. Happy birthday. Continue lang sa imong pagkamaayo, Best. God bless you more and your family. Enjoy your day, Best. Happy birthday.
Alep, happy birthday. Akong wish mo is sa new friends ta ka because of her. Continue lang sa imo ang mga pangandoy sa imong kamaayo. First, imong galingon sa imong family, sa imong friends, inside and outside, close friends, random friends. Continue unta ma-reach out na nimo ang imong millions of subscribers sa imong vlog. Thank you kayo kay isa ko sa imong friends na bag-o nga invite ko nimo sa imong special day today. And thank you po kay wala mi nasayo sa imong pag-trust sa among pag-trust namo sa imo. Thank you so much and happy birthday again to you. Ito na po.
Happy birthday, Lev.
Happy birthday again. God bless you and your family.
Ang wish na ko sa imo di man kita close kaayo but friends gihapon. I hope na padayon imong pagsige exercise kay para may healthy na ka kayo yun. More birthdays to come. Thank you sa pag-invite. Then happy birthday.
Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday. Wish na magsabay tabalik po and God bless.
Hey Besh, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay healthy. More birthdays to come. Stay safe.
Happy birthday kay Philip from Cagayan. So I'm Josipo Silvera Sinobago from Jensen. So I'm greeting you happy birthday and more blessings to come and happy birthday. Wapa!
Gabi, Besh. Happy birthday, then 34 na ka. Kaya yun mga si Choy Choy, always 18 daw ang imong edad pag mag-birthday, pero ibukon lang nako 34 na ka, Besh. Then parayon lang sa imong pag-vlog kay kabalo ko nga mahimo kang successful vlogger soon.
Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. God bless.
Best Philip Gitigan. Philip the Explorer. Enjoy your day tomorrow. And good health always. Happy birthday again, Best. Mwah.
Hi Bes, happy birthday Philip Gitigan. Ay ka-18th birthday nimo. Atong yagi 18, karon 18 yapon. Bitaw. More birthdays to come and more vlogs to come. Hinaot nga i-guide ka o i-protect ka sa mga biyahe, ilikay ka sa mga disgrasya, tagaan pagbaskog nga panglawas, kapis kay nga panglawas. Enjoy lang sa imong life, enjoy. And kami tanan nag-love sa imo. Again, happy birthday, Best Philip.
Hi Bes, happy birthday. Napalaban dito sa filter.
wishing you all the best. Thank you dahil nakilala kita and God bless us all. Maraming salamat, sir, sa iyong kabutihan. More birthdays to come.
Hi, it's Mia Caloca and happy birthday to you, Philip Gitigan. Enjoy your day. Birthday, Philip Gitigan. So, wish you all the best and many more birthdays to come. So, this is Intay Katong Kalimpatok. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Hi, Philip Gitigan. This is Scarlett Clark. Happy birthday sa iyo. And wish ko lang sa birthday mo. Marami pang buhay. Siyempre, yan yung pinaka-importante. No? God bless you more.
Hi, Philip Gitigan. This is Toyona. I want to say ako, happy birthday. God bless sa lahat ng mga muli. Enjoy your day kasi more night. Philip Gitigan. This is Danny Sangis. Happy birthday and I wish you all the best in life and thank you so much for supporting.
Hi, Sir Philip Gitigan. Happy birthday and sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon and sana marami pang birthday darating sa buhay mo. God bless and ingat.
Hi, Philip Gitigan. This is Brenda Mids. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat and enjoy. God bless.
Hi, Pip. Happy birthday. From the bottom of our heart, akong husband si Glenn, Gian, Chelsea, we would like to say thank you for everything. Sa mga gagmay pa si Gian, Chelsea, labi na si AJ na pasalamat kay kog dako, Pip, nga pag-ati Manila, masking unsa imo ihatag sa ila, maglangi, imo ihatag. Labi na sa wala pa'y pandemic o pandemic, ga-share ka sa imong blessings, ga-hatag kag mga food packs. Salamat sa tanan, Pip, and just continue on what you're doing and just stay generous, humble, and kind. So, salamat sa tanan, i-bless gid ka ni God kay gatabang ka sa uban pud taog. Salamat pug atiman ni Mama Papa og sa tanan. Thank you, Pep.
Thank you, Pep. Happy birthday and more blessings from you and wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Thank you for everything, Kuya Pilat. Happy birthday. Hi, Kuya Pilat. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday, Kuya Pilat.
God bless.
God bless. Amping, Pep. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Pep. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Thanks for your blessings that you have shared to us. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pep. May all your wishes come true today and every day. I can't wait to celebrate with you today. Happy birthday.